My people, my name is Ajakaye, and this is TMC TV News. Right now, Tanda for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium for the day 3 of the Commonwealth Games and World Athletic Championship trials when they go on for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium for Benin City. Yesterday, we see Grace Nwankocha win 100-meter women for 11.03 seconds and Favour Ashe win 100 meters for 9.99 seconds. And today, we will witness some finals for other games, track and field games, which include 100 meters men, 100 meters hurdles, and field events like shot put, discus, and hammer. This is TMC TV News. My name is Ajakaye. Mona, join us.
Like this my, I would say, the third national championship for me, and I'm so happy. Like right now, I'm so grateful to God for winning this title. I'm so happy right now. I went to the USA January 1st, so I would say it has been a good season for me. I've been running 10-1 from the indoor 6.5. I've been running a steady 10-1, so I know it's just a matter of time. I've done a win 9.79, and now this is just the beginning for me. I know I've done more of this. Right now, so I would say Nigeria, we have a good sprinters right now, and so I would say Nigeria is about to be in the map. Right now, that's what I would say. So everyone should just focus, train hard, and let's put Nigeria on the map. Okay, right now, I think we are number 16 right now in the world. So we have the 4x1 tomorrow, and we'll be doing our best so we can come down to like 13 and 12 and go to Oregon. So we'll be in a safe place.
I feel great. I'm blessed. Coming here with a 10.97. I think I'm happy about what I did today. Simply shows that I'm getting better. For me, I think being in the finals and coming out with medal by God's grace.
I feel good. I feel somewhat relieved because last time I was here at the festival it didn't go quite so well. I finished third, and I knew coming in here that I wanted to correct my errors. I felt like I was able to do that and also get in rhythm, start to get in rhythm. I jumped 2:15, 2:13 my first two competitions. This is only my third competition of the year, so it usually takes me like my third competition to kind of feel rhythm, and today I was able to, first attempts all the way up to 2:24. So it's a good indicator of my fitness. Still need to work on a little bit more of my rhythm, but it's a national championship. I came out on top, and the guys that were in the field all was pushing their PBs and jumping extremely well, and I'm always proud because 4 years ago when I was here at the championships there was no one over 2:20, 2:15, and these guys are literally, I've seen them develop right before my eyes, and I'm just proud because ultimately, if you've followed my story, you've known my main thing. I wanted to increase the level of high jump in Nigeria. We have too much talent, too much grassroots level. Guys like David that's pushing the standard. He's going to be a really great high jumper in years to come. He's already a great high jumper now, and you know we need to encourage that. It's not about me. I'm 31 years old. I've had a successful career already. I've got a family. I'm happy with what I'm doing. Ultimately, there's still goals I want to achieve. There's still records I want to break, but if I can leave any mark and if I can make any change in the high jump, I would hope it can start from the top down. We need support. We need athletes to be able to be coming here without any stress, financial burden. guys that are winning medals, gold medals, breaking national records, they're still struggling financially, and that is an embarrassment. And I would say here, I know there's funds in this country, and I know there's support that they can put towards these athletes. The medal is not only their motivation. These guys need to make a living, and hopefully that this platform that I have, it can reach the right people, because I'm passionate about it. If this ultimately is going to be a dark cloud in my career or whatever the case may be, I can feel comfortably to say that if no one's listening to me when I'm winning silver medals, but if someone can hear me out when I win a national title, then please hear. We can do even better than what we're doing now. Athletes are competing abroad, living in different parts of the world, and they can't necessarily get the financial support from the countries that they train in. But Nigeria can support them, and I feel like, look at the level that Nigeria athletes are right now across the board. It's really, really impressive, and I feel like that from the top down they need to start respecting those athletes as well. Well, with the Commonwealth Games, unfortunately, I wouldn't make it for the World Championships. Even if I would have won the gold at the African Championships, due to the fact that I wasn't on the drug testing pool, I still wouldn't have been able to go in as a wild card. So ultimately, again, things like that, kind of like missing opportunities. I'm not pointing the blame at nobody, but certain things like that, I knew even if I jumped 233 today, I was not going to be able to go to the World Championships because I'm not on the drug testing portal. So things like that. For me, now the Commonwealth Games is the goal, that's the aim. I would love to be pushing towards PB standards and national records when that championship is around the corner. So to me now, it's just get some rest, get back to my family, recuperate, and work on a few more things technically, and then we'll be good.
I'm happy because performance this season not too good before, but I still put myself together, make sure I do my best. But I thank God for what happened today.
Because second,
yes, I come second. This is not easy for me. So the time I get, I'll make sure I use it well.
Okay, looking forward, what do you expect from you?
Expect for the season, because I go World Junior for Colombia, Cali. I just punched the ticket here. So for Colombia, so we secure gold medal against Nigeria with a 220, 225.
Who organized this national trial? No be government. Before this national trial, we don't organize open trial. 3. Now government organize them through AFN. We organize classic. Now government organize them. We go Mauritius, where we win gold. No be government carry them go. As they plan, they go Oregon, so no be government they carry them go. Commonwealth Games, so they prepare to go. Now government they prepare everything. So government is doing what it needs to do. When we go Olympic, we increase bonus money to 300 by 300%. Allowances where you give them, those way overseas equipment allowances, we increase it from $3,500 to $6,000. So government they try. Don't forget, not be only sports. Government they fund. Then they fund teachers, then they fund road, hospital. So the demand on government, they're very high. And President Buhari, they try for us. So we will try, as we get the money, we will try to make sure that we make the athletes to enjoy so that they don't go complain too much. So make the bear with government. But we're trying to get private sector, make they bring money. Other countries, government will put money, private sector will put money. This one, the only government they put money now. So that's why they work hard, make we get the sports industry, where business model go there inside. Government will give incentive to private sector. So if you bring money from private sector, you will get tax relief. You will get certain incentive from government, say at least they support sports. We don't nearly reach that place. Once we reach that place now, athletes go enjoy. our sports will develop very well, which will go fit compete with other people around the world. We don't catch them because we know, say, when they watch the age, some of them will process out very soon. So almost about 2 years ago, we started with the called talent hunt program. Some of these ones, they grow. We don't catch some of them from 8 years, 10 years. On that talent hunt program, we get Sekinat, small boxer. We get Fish, swimmer, where they win award. We get Yakubu sisters, where they play tennis. They just arrived from one African championship. We get these other boys from the north. So that's one category, talent hunt, young people, 8, 12, 13 years. But some of these ones, you see their ages, pass from 18 to 23. We manage them. That's why we get federation. The work of federation are to manage them, develop them, and then make them represent the country. So through our federations, they're important. Government will continue to support federation because now their work with that, help government to develop this one, look for them, and then we hope, say, all these young ones will take over from the old ones where we go soon retire.
As you see, we don't hit the ground running. Edo State government don't inaugurate the board members, and we get sports commission now. So it's an institution when one takes sports to the next level. And as you know, our Oga, His Excellency the Governor, talks say Edo State go be sporting destination for Nigeria and even Africa. So as you see now, many things, we don't hit the ground running, they do work. See this kind of thing when come now. For Commonwealth Games and World Championship trials. Now we do more tournaments now, we don't do since. So you go see, say, Edo State now go be the destination of sports and work them they go on.
Of course, why not? I'm very happy. Don't forget that most of our foreign-based athletes, they are all here. It's an open invitation, they all came, they have performed. Look at what happened in the 100 meters, men. Asher Favor came sub-9. So, men qualified in 4x100 relay, which has never happened in a long time. So we have every reason to be happy. I'm very glad that this whole thing is coming out the way it is, although we are still going to run tomorrow and another relay. So I don't know what we're going to come up with, but I wish and pray that we'll better our time that we used to qualify. If we are doing this well, having a lot of them doing sub-10 or sub-9, okay, let's say, okay, sub-10. If you have a lot of them, 10-0, 10-0, about 3-4 of them, then you should know what we have. It has never been like that in the past. And if we have that, that's to tell you that we're going to have a very strong relay team. By the time they all really come together, stay in camp together, and then train together during camping, then we're expecting something a lot better than what we used to do. So I'm very happy about that, and I wish them well. Now, all we'll be thinking about is how to put them in camp so that they can all work together and see what we can come up with. I know we're going to do a lot better than what we used to do. That's what I'm praying for. I don't know what medals that we're going to have. I don't know if we're going to have gold or silver or whatever, but I know we're going to clean medals. I know we're going to do some podium performance. So that's what I'm looking for.
Everybody know now. Edo na the baba for sports. From beginning to the end na Edo. Left, right and center na Edo. We get the facilities full ground. So we won't let them know say Edo ready. We ready gidigba to promote sport and to take sport to the next level for this country. We want make it be say that anything when they want to do for sports, if they never mention Edo name, they never start. So now make it say all the sporting activity, national or that they come Edo State. Before they go talk 1, 2, 3, Edo must feature. If they never talk Edo for sports never starts. Our athletes full, they gidigba, they full ground. We dey train them, everybody they prepare. You know, the National Sports Festival now, they want to do another one for November this year, where Delta go host. We ready gidigba. All the athletes, they prepare because we got enough facilities. So everybody they try hard so that Delta 2022 na Edo State get am. We dey try gather them for schools. We dey collaborate with Ministry of Education, SUBEB, PPEB. We don't even we dey for the position now. We dey try to put sports into the school curriculum so that from secondary school, even primary school sef, we dey get them involved. So as young as they dey for primary school, we go catch them. We go schools. They do different sports, Headmasters Cup, HOS Cup, school sport, academicals, all dey come back. So from there you go begin dey see them small small, one by one dey catch them as they dey young.
Well, I think say if I say we dey go back to what it used to be in the past. One of us go see say this is the first time when they were run 9 seconds, 9.9 for Nigeria for our trial. That means say the sports don dey grow, and that be our prayer. But for it to happen for Edo where we dey now, we have to take the sports to the grassroots, which is the secondary school. We need to tell our mama and papa, may they let our pikin them, may they go do sports from that secondary school level. Now it will make them grow very fast for sports, and they'll be better athletes in the future. And see, athletes there for everywhere in this world, but now you will go look for them. You go do all the look and trainings waiting for everywhere, go look for them, bring them out. That's the thing we will do for Edo. We will go school. If now one day, now the artists day, we will go there, go bring them, kind of come center, come the train them. A talent there everywhere, but you must train that talent to make them. It's maybe some people go be boxer, some people be wrestler. They will just be there because at the same time, if you see in size, this one will tall, if you be short putter, this one will thin, if you be hodler, and from there you go put them to where it belong. And that will help the picking. We don't do collaboration with secondary school now for Edo. We want carry sports put for secondary school for Edo. So from there now we go send some of our staffs waiting for sports council, carry them go all this area. They go, they hunt, they pitch out talent for us. They will come the center, come they train them to be better athletes.
My people, this na TMC TV News, and my name na Omo Aluke Ajakaye. We sit under for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, where the national competition is going on. And right now, we're there for the indoor sport complex, where Athletic Federation of Nigeria, they do talk with the athletes to tell them how to coordinate themselves when they reach Commonwealth Games where they happen for Birmingham, and World Athletic Competition where they happen for US. And yeah, they tell them the kind of drugs when you go use, the right drugs when you go use, the drugs when you no go use. This na TMC TV News. My name na Omo Aluke Ajakaye. Make una follow us waka.
It does not mean that you cannot be tested at any time. You can be tested at any time, even if it is outside your 1 hour period. If you fail to be available for testing at the right location where you indicate, okay, place the sound on the whereabouts information, that is assumed to be a missed test. A missed test will be deemed to have occurred on the date that the sample collection was unsuccessfully attempted. That's the day we came and we did not meet you, is a missed test. And then if you don't make accurate filing of your information, you can be guilty of what we call whereabouts filing failure. And the detail, you have to take into consideration the detail when you are filing your whereabouts information. Where you will be, the set, date, location, house, where you are sleeping, where you are training, you are traveling, period of travel, everything, all the details must be there. Because, and again, when you are giving the address, you must give me a concise address or your whereabouts information. Not, I'm living, what's the name of this area? Or you say you are living in Bowo, no street, no house number, no flat number. That is not allowed. That's not accepted. You can be guilty of a whereabouts filing failure, which is you are not filing at all. It's as good. Wrong filing is as good as not filing at all. Take note of what I'm saying. One missed test plus 2 whereabouts failure within 1 year is an anti-doping violation. What I'm saying is that you are not be tested at all. I told you can be guilty of anti-doping violation without even being tested. Or one whereabouts failure plus 2 mistakes could be an anti-doping rule. But within 12 calendar months, is an anti-doping rule violation, which is after trial you can be sanctioned. And you can be given a period of eligibility of up to 18 to 24 months. Can you imagine? It's not that you take anything, but because you did not file your whereabouts or you are not where you are supposed to be, you can be banned for between 18 and 24 months. The submission date, I initially said you should we are whereabouts every quarter. For example, let's take it from January to March, marks the first quarter. You are supposed to fill your whereabouts information by 15th of December for the next quarter. It's not that you cannot update it, but you must submit it on Adams by 15th of December so that they can plan for any test for you within the first quarter. Then for the second quarter, you must submit it by 15th of March. For the third quarter, you have to submit it by 15th of June. While for the last quarter, you have to submit by 15th of August, right? Am I right? No, 15th of September, because the last quarter is October, November, December. So, please, I want you to take note of all that and so that we don't fall foul of the law.